In life, we often face challenges that test us deeply. We dream of a brighter future, aspire to achieve greatness, and seek a life rich with success and fulfillment. But how do we transform these aspirations into reality? How do we bridge the gap between where we stand today and where we aim to be tomorrow? The answer is a powerful principle known as the law of assumption. The law of assumption, which was popularized by Neville Goddard, states that our assumptions create our reality. In other words, what we believe to be true about ourselves and our circumstances shapes the outcomes we experience. It emphasizes the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations in shaping the course of our lives. Belief is the foundation upon which the law of assumption operates. If we believe in our abilities, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities. On the other hand, if we doubt ourselves, we limit our potential and hinder our progress. To harness the power of the law of assumption, we must be willing to shift our perspectives. It requires a conscious effort to reframe our thoughts and adopt empowering beliefs that align with our aspirations. Instead of focusing on limitations and scarcity, we can choose to see opportunities and abundance in every situation. This shift in perspective allows us to approach challenges with optimism and creativity, leading to innovative solutions and breakthroughs. Understanding the concept of the law of assumption is just the first step. And to truly manifest our dreams, we must apply the law of assumption in our daily lives. And to do that, here are some practical steps to help you harness its power. The first step to manifest your dreams is you must first identify what you truly desire. Take the time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to feel? Be specific and vividly imagine the desired outcome. And write down your desires and create a vision board or a visual representation of what you want to manifest. The second step is once you have clarified your desires, close your eyes and create a mental image visualizing yourself already living the life you desire. Engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. See the vibrant colors, hear the sounds of success, feel the emotions of achievement, and immerse yourself in the experience. This visualization technique serves two purposes. Firstly, it clarifies your desires and creates a detailed picture of what you want to manifest. And secondly, it helps you cultivate the emotions and beliefs associated with your desired reality. When you vividly imagine your success, your subconscious mind interprets it as real and begins to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with that reality. The third step is to use affirmations, which are powerful tools that align your thoughts and beliefs with your desires. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, you might affirm, "I am a successful entrepreneur. I attract opportunities and abundance into my life. Every day my business grows and grows." By consciously affirming your desired reality, you reinforce your assumptions and invite the manifestation of your dreams. We need to remember and remind ourselves that every thought we think is creating our future. The fourth step is to bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome. And the way you do this is you act as if your dreams have already come true. Begin to embody the qualities and habits of the person you aspire to become. For example, if you desire to become a successful writer, start by acting as if you are already a published author. Dedicate time each day to writing, attend writing workshops, connect with other writers, and visualize yourself signing books at a bookstore. By acting as if, you create a powerful alignment between your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. As you follow those 4 steps, now let's identify the limiting beliefs. As to fully harness the power of the law of assumption, it is crucial to identify and overcome limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt. Take the time to examine your beliefs and ask yourself, what beliefs do I hold about myself and my potential? Are these beliefs serving me or hindering my progress? Your limiting beliefs can manifest in various areas of our lives, such as relationships, career, finances, or self-worth. They often take the form of self-critical thoughts, doubts, or fears. Some common examples include, "I'm not smart or talented enough to succeed." "I don't deserve happiness and abundance. I always fail at everything I do." By identifying these limiting beliefs, you bring them into your conscious awareness and can begin to challenge them. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Question their validity and seek evidence that contradicts them. Replace the negative self-talk with empowering affirmations and supportive self-beliefs. For example, If you believe you are not intelligent enough to succeed, challenge this belief by acknowledging your past achievements. It could be a small or big achievement. You can also seek inspiration from others who have succeeded in similar circumstances and reframe the belief as, I am capable of learning and growing in any field I choose. Remember, it's not the events of our lives that shape us, but our beliefs as to what those events mean. Our beliefs are not fixed, and we have the power to change them. Manifesting your dreams through the law of assumption requires patience. We all know Rome wasn't built in a day, so neither are your dreams. Trust the process, stay committed to your vision, and remain patient even when results may not be immediate. To fully embrace the law of assumption, it is essential to trust in a higher power or the universe. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, guiding you toward your dreams. Let go of the need to control every aspect and surrender to the flow of life. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, if you would like a tool to help you reprogram your subconscious mind and attract more of what you desire, just write the word "now" in the comments.